Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am or sir. I am Nina Crisel Salva, 32 years old. I have one child, 13 years old boy. I am a Catholic religion. I have one brother and three sisters. I am the second eldest in the family.
What is your educational attainment?
Hospitality management college level for 1 year.
Okay, have you ever worked abroad?
Yes, I know, ma'am.
No. Okay, so did you ever work as a helper here before in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
For how long?
2 years, ma'am.
How many members of the family did you serve?
5 members of the family, 1 couple, and 3 kids.
Who are the 3 kids?
Uh,
How old are they?
Ages 10 years old, 15, and 3 years old kid.
So what did you do as a helper in the house?
I do the household chores like cooking, cleaning, washing, and care for pets.
What kind of pet do they have?
Cat and dogs. One dogs and 2 cats. Ma'am.
You go to market?
Yes, ma'am.
How often you do marketing?
1 week. Ma'am.
Once a week.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you do take care of the 3 kids here before.
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To my future, for my child future,
Okay, who will look for your child if you're going to Hong Kong?
my mother.
Your mother or your family allows you to go abroad.
Yes.
Okay. So if you feel homesick, what will you do?
I will call my family if my free time.
Okay. So most of the time, you just have free time if you have day off or before you're going to bed. And sometimes if you're going to bed, it's late na. That's why you can just focus to your work if you feel homesick. Okay?
Yes,
Okay. So how long you want to work in Hong Kong?
as long as my employer needs me, ma'am.
Are you afraid of any pet?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share job with other helper?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you willing to learn how to cook Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing.
Can you handle naughty kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to look for a newly born baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your future employer is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
Hi, ma'am and sir. I promise to do all my responsibilities.
Can you promise to finish your contract?
I will promise to finish my contract. Thank you and thank you so much, ma'am. And God bless.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 23 1.